There she is. There she is. Are you laying in the sun? Chia is afraid of everything. Look where we are. We're at Buckskin Mountain State Park in Arizona. Chia has been a pain in the butt today. She kept crawling under my legs while I was trying to drive, so I had to put a cable on her and connect her to the back of the van so she couldn't get up there. And she didn't like that one bit. Then, when we got to our campsite, I connected her cable and full-length cable, and she ended up wrapped around the utility pole on the back side of the van, so she couldn't move. So then we went to the dog park, and she didn't like the dog park, so she tried to escape, and she actually wiggled through a space between the gate and the fence, and she almost escaped. So she's mad at me today, and I'm mad at her. So hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. But it is almost sunset here. You can see the sun going down behind the cliffs, or mountains, whatever you call that thing. Okay, Chia's all hooked up on a rock here. Chia, why are you being such a pain in the butt today? Yeah, they have a little gift shop here that sells firewood and sodas and ice cream and little souvenirs and stuff. And I told myself they were open tonight, right now, I'm going to get an ice cream. But I don't think they are open. They are closed. They got a Christmas tree in there, though. Okay, we're going to continue walking around. Come on, Chia. No, come this way. Like wrapping herself around everything. My goodness. See how pretty it is through here when the sun's going down? I just love the light through here. Love it so much. I think I could live at this state park. I don't think Chia would like it, though. Chia likes the open desert. That's where she seems to be the happiest. Like at Quartzsite. I bet she would probably be happy at the alpaca farm, too. Okay, well, we're going to continue our walk, and we'll catch you guys later. Hey, tumbleweeds. Chia and I. Chia is still terrified of everything. We're at the Buckskin Mountain State Park in Arizona. When we're sitting on a bench overlooking the Colorado River. Here, I'll turn it around so you can see. There's some fishermen right there. And we have been in the desert, which Chia absolutely loves, and she's pretty mad at me right now for taking her away from the desert. So she doesn't like other people, and she doesn't like noises, cars, boats. There's a lot of loud boats around here. But she's getting better. She was worse when I first got her, but she's getting better. So, but we just wanted to, let me see if I can get us this way. No, she's not going to be in the picture. Get in the picture there, Chia. Get in the picture. Okay, sorry. Anyway, we just wanted to wish you a Happy New Year, and I'm coming out with a video soon about how I came up with my goals for 2025. I haven't finished doing that yet. That's why I'm not, this isn't the video for that. But, yeah, I think I'm going to have to change things up this year, because even though I did a lot of very exciting things, I didn't do as many things as I wanted, and honestly, I think a lot of it was based on my anxiety still from traveling by myself. So I'm going to address those things in my next video. But anyway, oh, there goes a pontoon boat. Yeah, it's very nice here, but it can be a little loud during the day. There's a lot of speedboats because the weather is very nice right now. 72 degrees today. It's not usually that warm here at the end of December. And I suspect it will probably be just as nice in January. But who knows? Anyway, and who knows where I'm going to be in January. I have reservations at RV parks in Yuma, but I think I need to change things up a little bit. So that's probably not going to remain my plan. So there's somebody paddling right there too. It's a very active place around here. The store wasn't open, and I really wanted some ice cream though. So, oh look, there's a TV across the river up on top of the hill there. You see them up there with the flags? That's pretty cool. Chia's mad at me for bringing her here because she likes the desert. So we're only staying a couple of nights. We're going to be here for New Year's Eve, and then we're going back to the desert again. And then I have to get maintenance done on my Sprinter. So I have to go to the Mercedes dealer in Chandler, Arizona sometime the first week of January. And I splurged and rented a hotel room for a couple of nights. Since I can't take this little critter into the lobby or the waiting room for the service area, so we're going to have to leave her in a hotel. Hope that doesn't freak her out, but hopefully she'll like it. So anyway, we'll keep you posted on all that stuff. Okay, here comes one of the really loud boats. Let me show it to you. So annoying. Okay, we'll catch you in the next one.